Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we continue, you can just pause for a moment, subscribe, you can also like, and you can also share. Now, in our today's video, we're gonna focus on how to get the surface area of a prism. And a prism, if you can just explain the meaning of a prism, it means it has about 5 faces. A good example of a prism is our modern roofing in our buildings today. If a person builds a house, then you get to find that that house or that building will have a shape that looks like this one. Yeah, this one will be the roofing. That is now what we call the prism. And now the base will have the shape of a rectangle. There is a face that is on this side and a face that is on the back side. And that means for that case, the prism may look, let me draw in a manner that one can see properly. It will be looking as something of the sort. Yeah, that means we have this rectangle at the back, we have this triangle, we have this rectangle at the bottom, and we have this triangle. To get the surface area, it means that we are going to get the area of 3 rectangles plus area of 2 triangles. And in most cases, the triangles are the same, but the rectangles are not the same, because it will depend on the kind of a triangle that we have. If the triangle is an equilateral triangle, then the rectangles will all be the same. Assuming that this rectangle is a right-angled triangle, this triangle is a right-angled triangle, where this one is 5 centimeters, this one is 12 centimeters, and this one is 14 centimeters. This one, and this one are all the same. So this one is also 14 centimeters. This one is also 14 centimeters. Now, the area of a triangle, this part, is given by this triangle. Here you can use area of triangles. This is going to be 2 times a half base times height. And for that case, we have 2 times a half times 12 times 5, which is going to give us 60 centimeters squared. Now this includes this triangle and this triangle. About the rectangles, let's say this one is A, B, C, D, E, F. We have the rectangle A, F, E, C. I hope everyone can see this one at this point. We can all see that, and that means the area of that rectangle will be given by length times width. We don't have this length here, which can be given by Pythagoras theorem, and we'll get that length AF is equals to 13 centimeters by Pythagoras theorem. And for that case, we are going to use the length times width, which is 13 times 14 to get 182 centimeters squared. We have another rectangle which is ABCD at the bottom, this one and this one, which is given by 12 times 14, and 12 times 14 is given as 168 centimeters squared. Finally, we have a rectangle at the back FBDE, which is going to be given by 14 times 5, which is 70 centimeters squared. Now the surface area will be the total of all these, which is 60 plus 182 plus 168 plus 70, which is going to be this will give us 1466 centimeters squared, and that is the surface area of a prism. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and remember to share.